Welcome to Epower USA. My name is Vincent with another product review. Today we're looking at the Bluetti AC50S portable power station. This is a very versatile, easy to use, and very handy power station. You can use it in the home, the office, as well as take it on the road with you, whether it be camping or you're on a day trip, you're at the cabin, or you're on a weekend getaway. This is a very nice, handy, portable power station. So it does have the power as well as the portability. That's why it makes it very, very popular model. So when would you use something like this? You can charge your laptops, your personal electronic devices, even small tools and appliances. So during a blackout or anytime you need access to power and you need it quick and convenient and easily, this is a great power station to get. I would look at this if you're, again, using it more for the home as well as outside, and you need to carry it with you to different areas. So again, it's the Bluetti AC50S. If you have any questions, please check out our website, Epower USA, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much. My name is Vincent.